Fan me, soldier man, fan me, soldier man, fan me. Fan me, soldier man, fan me, girl, your character gone. Sick a sailor man, bango, bango, sick a sailor man, bango. Sick a sailor man, bango, girl, your character gone. When you used to dey feel up, when you used to dey feel up, when you used to dey feel up, girl, your character gone. 30 years in the mother country, 30 years in the mother country, 30 years in the mother country, 2 nervous breakdown, 2 times backless can me no. Emma Martin Hamilton claim that I wrote on line whatever about her that caused harm and damage. Fan me, soldier man, fan me. Fan me, soldier man, fan me. Fan me, soldier man, fan me. Oh, girl, your character gone. When me done with June O'Sullivan. When me done with June O'Sullivan. When me done with June O'Sullivan. The world is gonna know the pedophiles. Richard Harty called my phone on the 27th of September. Then I went into Barclays. They take my money at the counter. What is Emma Martin Hamilton talking about? Harm and damage. She is nothing but a fucking scammer. Work for the FOS. Edward Allen, you're probably a pedophile. You confess about the slurs. You claim you do not know the Equality Act protected characteristics. As when I say Andrew Holiness, I know Andrew Holiness, that motherfucker in my head. Andre Stevens said, why butter up puss mouth? My mother was the banker for your partner. Yes? My mother couldn't read, but she could have spell and pronounce, if you know what I mean. If you see my mother writes her name, it is something to be seen. Tapestry, artistry. Fan me, soldier man, fan me. Fan me, soldier man, fan me. Fan me, soldier man, fan me. Oh, girl, your character gone. Who needs emotional regulation treatment? Who needs emotional regulation treatment? Who needs emotional regulation treatment? Let me start at the Judiciary of England and Wales. I'll march you down to the criminal justice system. March you down to criminal justice system. March you down to the Crown Prosecution Service. Then I name them all. The final straw that breaks the camel's back. The final straw that breaks the camel's back. The final straw that breaks the camel's back is Edward Allen PC. Call my house phone on his private number. It is the day of my Sabbath. I told him my husband was feeling well. I need to cook and feed him. The little motherfucker carry on the phone. Motherfucker no say me no record him. Me hand is very quick on the draw when me nah shake. Motherfucker then write say me use floors and then talk about me. Remind me, teach him about the Equality Act protected characteristic, and it is homophobic, and I must be aware of homophobia. Well, I'm gonna teach him about why my brother Ashta died in prison and why I had to rescue Judy Vaughn at Luton Street Nursery when those motherfuckers tried to trip her up. She was with one male partner. She changed to a female partner. I don't use certain terms because of the impact on me. Fan me, soldier man, fan me, oh. Fan me, soldier man, fan me, oh. Fan me, soldier man, fan me, oh. Girl, you character gone. See a Cassiela man, banger, banger. See a Cassiela man, banger. See a Cassiela man, banger. Girl, you character gone. When them used to they feel up. When them used to they feel up. When them used to they feel up. Girl, you character gone. Criminal needing emotional regulation treatment. Really?